The three-phase transformer construction. Imagine a world without air conditioners blasting cool air on a scorching day, factories humming with activity, or cities illuminated at night. That's the world we would face without transformers, the unsung heroes of the power grid. Today, we'll delve into a specific type, the three-phase transformer. 3 in 1, a powerful combination. A three-phase transformer isn't just a single unit, it's a clever combination of three single-phase transformers working in unison. Each transformer handles one phase of a three-phase electrical system, the workhorse of modern power grids. Think of it as 3 lanes on a highway, each carrying its share of electrical traffic. Unlike single-phase transformers used for smaller applications in homes, three-phase transformers are built to handle the high currents and voltages needed for industrial use and large-scale power distribution. Built for efficiency, less is more. Here is where things get interesting. These 3 transformers are cleverly housed on a single core, reducing weight, size, and material needs compared to using 3 separate transformers. This compact design makes them ideal for various applications. Power transformers. These behemoths handle the heavy lifting, efficiently transmitting massive amounts of electricity over long distances. Imagine the incredible amount of power needed to light up a whole city. That's where power transformers come in. They take the electricity generated at power plants and step up the voltage to minimize energy loss during transmission. Electrical grids. The backbone of our power infrastructure relies on three-phase transformers to manage and distribute electricity throughout the system. These transformers are strategically placed at substations, where they step down the high voltage from long-distance transmission lines to a medium voltage suitable for regional distribution. Distribution transformers. These transformers bring the power down to our doorstep. They take the medium voltage electricity from the grid and step it down one final time to the low voltage we use in our homes and businesses. Distribution transformers are the final link in the chain, ensuring we have safe and usable electricity at our fingertips. Stepping up or stepping down, voltage on demand. Three-phase transformers are masters of manipulation, not in the magical sense, but in the electrical sense. They can increase voltage, step up, for efficient transmission over long distances, or decrease voltage, step down, to make it safe for everyday use. Imagine a garden hose. The water pressure is high at the source but needs to be reduced for watering plants. Three-phase transformers act like a pressure regulator for electricity, ensuring it travels efficiently and safely throughout the power grid. The takeaway: a silent giant. Three-phase transformers might not be glamorous, but they are the workhorses behind the scenes. Their efficient design, versatility, and ability to handle high power make them crucial components in our ever-demanding world. So, the next time you flick on a light switch or plug in an appliance, take a moment to appreciate the silent giant quietly doing its job, the three-phase transformer. They are the invisible force keeping our world powered and running smoothly.